Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Kafi Aldiasya, an undergraduate student for Law of Business and Management, Institut Teknologi Bandung, Indonesia. I am presenting my paper on how the usage of recycled materials affect the performance of H&M in Indonesia. This study aims to explore the impact of H&M sustainability efforts, particularly the use of recycled materials on its brand performance in the Indonesian market. Here's an overview of what I will cover in today's presentations. First, we have the introduction. We'll start by discussing the background of the study and the research problem. And we have literature review. This section covers the relevant studies and theories related to brand performance and sustainability in fashion. And we have the research design and methodology. And we have the finding and discussion. The fifth one will have the conclusion, and the last one, the recommendation. H&M, a globally recognized fashion retailer, has increasingly integrated recycled materials into its clothing lines as part of its sustainability initiative. This is a response to the growing environmental consciousness among consumers worldwide. However, there is a gap in understanding how Indonesian consumers perceive these efforts and how it impacts their view of H&M's brand. There is a limited understanding of the value Indonesian consumers place on recycled materials and how this influences their perceptions of H&M's brand performance. This research aims to fill that gap by examining these consumer preferences and their effort uh, on H&M's brand's image. The primary research questions guiding this study is how does the usage of recycled materials in H&M's products affect its brand performance in Indonesia? The objective is to gain a comprehensive understanding of the impact that H&M's incorporation of recycled materials has on its brand performance in the Indonesian market. Next, we go to the literature review. The literature review provides a foundation for understanding the intersection of sustainability and brand performance in the fashion industry. First one, we have the industry trends. According to the 2022 survey by the Global Fashion Agenda, 73% of global consumers now prefer to buy environmentally friendly clothing, highlighting a shift towards sustainability. Second one, the brand performance components. According to Keller on 2008, defines brand awareness as the ability of consumers to recognize and recall a brand. This awareness is critical in shaping consumer perceptions and driving brand performance. And the effect of recycled materials, research by Sen and Ha on 2018 shows that incorporating recycled materials into fashion design can enhance brand value. Similarly, from the previous study by Eom and Eom 2022 found that sustainability factors significantly influence fashion choices, particularly among the millennials. Next, to explore the research question, I employ a quantitative approach combining descriptive statistics analysis and hypothesis testing. The primary method of the data collection was an online survey targeting Indonesian consumers who are familiar with H&M. This allows us to gather insight directly from the target market. The survey used a random sampling method to ensure a representative sample of the population. This approach helps in minimizing biases and obtaining generalizable results. And for the data analysis, the data were analyzed using descriptive statistic analysis and hypothesis testing to assess the impact of recycled materials on brand performance indicator. Next, the findings of the study offer valuable insight into consumer perceptions of H&M's use of recycled materials. From the descriptive analysis result, it showed that respondents rate H&M's brand performance with an average score of 5.72 out of 7. This indicates a generally positive perception of the brand influenced by its use of recycled materials. And then the hypothesis testing was conducted to further analyze the data, and the result of the hypothesis testing, the analysis showed no significant differences in how different age groups or genders perceive the impact of recycled materials on H&M's brand performance. However, there was a notable difference when considering occupations. While most indicators showed consistency across occupations, the BP Force indicator related to H&M's potential to enhance its reputation as an environmentally responsible brand revealed significant variations. This suggests that occupations may influence how consumers perceive the environmental efforts of H&M. To conclude the research, the research demonstrates that H&M's use of recycled materials positively impact its brand performance in Indonesia. H&M use recycled material positively impact its brand image, with respondents giving an average rating of 5.72 for brand performance. Hypothesis testing indicates that age, gender, and occupation generally do not significantly influence these perceptions. However, occupation does play a role in how respondents view the H&M's opportunity to enhance its reputation as an environmentally responsible brand, particularly in the BP4 indicator. And based on the findings, I recommend this following. First one, future researchers have the opportunity to carry out a survey about the success of the brand result of the effort as a result of its effort to use recycled materials. And then second one, the future study can explore the impact of recycled materials on consumer behavior. And the last one, the methodology can be changed into qualitative method so the research can dive more deeper aspect. Thank you for your attention. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.